Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be making two quick dessert recipes. One is banana chocolate truffle. These chocolate truffles are extra creamy and healthy too. Another one is coconut truffle. They are flavorful, delicious and easy to make at home. These are perfect elegant dessert and also can be a wonderful homemade gift idea. Now let's get started. Ingredients to make banana chocolate truffle. It's very easy to make these truffles and you don't need a lot of time to prepare them. Into a mixing bowl, add a banana, mash it with a fork. I'm adding 350 grams of Lotus biscuit crumbs. This is store bought. You can use any biscuits, crush them in a food processor and use them. Add a tablespoon of butter and combine them until you form a dough. Add 2 tablespoons of chopped almonds. Mix well to get it incorporated. If you feel that your dough is little soft, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of biscuit crumbs and give a mix. My dough is little soft, so I'm adding some biscuit crumbs. Using a ice cream scooper or a tablespoon, form walnut sized balls from the mixture. Chop 150 grams of dark chocolate. This is to coat the truffle. Let's melt chocolate using double boiler method. Dip the balls into the melted chocolate and place them on a tray or a plate lined with parchment paper. Refrigerate until the chocolate solidifies. Decorate chocolate balls of your liking. I'm going to decorate with some chocolate lines. Ingredients to make coconut truffle. To make coconut condensed milk truffle, into a bowl add 250 grams of desiccated coconut. To this, add 1 can of condensed milk little by little until everything comes together. When you hold it, it should form a shape. Here I have got some chopped almonds and I'm going to chop some pistachios. You can use any nuts which is available at home. Using a measuring spoon or ice cream scooper, form a ball from the mixture. Then make a well in the center. Keep a teaspoon of mixed nuts and cover it well. Add some coconut oil to your palm. Rub well to prevent sticking to your palm. Roll each ball into coconut flakes. They keep well refrigerated in an airtight container for up to 2 weeks. You can double or triple the ingredients to make big batches. There you go, quick and easy truffles. They are nutritious and delightful. Do try this recipe and share this with your family and friends. Also share your thoughts about this recipe in the comment section below. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you do, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.